Okay, guys, welcome back to the branded new session of our Ethical Hacking 101 Bootcamp. And today we are going to cover module number 4, which is scanning and enumeration. And definitely, one thing I will be ensuring that last time in reconnaissance we cover active recon as well as passive recons. But still, there are things which is remaining like how to find the domains and subdomains and IP addresses, but the things that we have learned, how to find the exposed services, like how to perform nmap scan in order to find open ports, the services that they are using, and we briefly cover about all those things. So if you guys are not aware, I will recommend you to check out the previous video, session number 6, and by the way, it is an entire playlist, which means that this is our section, sorry, module, you can call it lecture number 7. Okay, so we have the lecture number 7, in which we will be covering few of the things related with the previous modules and new things about the new module, in which I will be teaching you specifically scanning, how to scan your targets up, and how to perform enumeration. So the thing is, we will be using uh, different things, but let's first try to understand how this thing will work. Anyway, in reconnaissance, we have few things to pull out. For example, let me open my Linux machine, and by the way, we need to install few tools for that. For example, in my notes, if we go to the web security, let me quickly find out without wasting time. Okay. So here we have few of the things that we need to perform. By the way, guys, I have created one of the video related with web security automation, which is approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes long session. Let's quickly find out that thing. So I will highly recommend you to check out. So yeah, that will be really good for you guys. For example, web security automation by MasaudSec. You just need to type this one, okay? And if I'm not wrong, um, let's quickly go there, okay? Don't worry, I'm not wasting your time. It is worth watching. I will highly recommend you to check out that thing as well as. Let's yeah, here we go. Bug bounty recon Bug Bounty Recon and Automation Bootcamp 2025, Subdomain Enumeration Nuclei, and Burp Suite Workflow. So it is an entire module, like literally I have covered everything from brick to brick, you will not believe. Okay, so I will highly recommend you, if you want to deeply go to the enumeration, if you want to deeply go to the subdomain enumeration, scanning through Burp Suite, all those things, then literally this video is for you. Okay, this is literally for you, and it can change your life. You can apply all those methods in bug bounty as well as. Okay, so let me quickly open the terminal. Okay, so I don't know why this. Okay, fine. um the next thing that we will be doing, at first let's understand some basics. So let's quickly use a sub finder in order to find the subdomains of our target. So sub finder, just type sub finder. It, if it is not installed, just reply with y and give the password, which is kali, and it will install sub finder for you quickly. By the way, we are currently learning enumeration. Okay, so which is, the recon, sorry, sudo su. Let's quickly, and no, let's quickly go to the home, kali, desktop. Let's create a directory. Let's name it desktop. Let's go there and we will be performing everything in the test directory. So after that, let's pick a target, for example, sub finder, and then let's pick a target which is suppose crunch co.uk. By the way, they have their bug bounty program, so there will be no issue for us at all. And I want to save the output in a sub finder.txt. Okay, so what this tool will do, this will literally try to pull out all the subdomains, and here I am just using one single tool. Okay, yeah, we can just use multiple tools, so we can just use multiple tools for that thing in order to pull out more and more domains, and then we can combine all those domains in a one single file, and then we can just find out the like active domains. For example, if you use subfinder, asset finder, and find domains together, these are different tools that will give you different results. Then you can combine those results together, and after that you can pull out the active domains and delete those domains that are not working, so it will be an extra result for you. That's why I told you to go back to the video in which I have explained the bug bounty, automation, recon, each and everything, because there I have covered all the techniques. So after that, we if we check, we have find out some of the subdomains, approximately 66. So after that, what we need to do next? Then we know that this file can contain some of the domains that will be live and some of the domain that will not be live. So for that, we need a tool. We basically need a tool that with the help of that tool we can just simply um, yeah, we can just simply pull out only the active domains, and remove the domain remove those domains that are simply not working. So what we can do, we can just type httpx github, and here we have another tool that will be awesome for the usage. So let's quickly check out its installation. So it required go language, and let's try to use it. I know it will not be working, because the go is not installed. So let's install it quickly. Apt install gcc go hyphen go. So it is approximately 231 MB. It will be quickly installed, and I think it will take a bit of time, but it's okay, let's wait up. Remember, most of the tools are written in go language, so you need to hit this command. It is just one time go installation, that's all, and after that the go will be installed, and then you will be able to install all the tools that normally required go language to execute it. So just wait. Okay, it is almost done. So quickly, let's hit the command again. Okay, seems like invalid version 1.4 must be. Okay. So maybe it is not accepting the latest version. Go hyphen hyphen version. Mm, invalid version 1.2.4 must match the format 1.2.3. No problem. Okay, apt purge go. Sorry. Apt install golang hyphen go. Let's try this. I mean, we have installed it. Sometime Linux will throw some errors that will be unexpected. But this is all you can do to try and to To solve the issues, just use Google and ChatGPT. If you ever encounter some issues, try to solve it with the help of ChatGPT and Google. I will recommend you to go for ChatGPT. These are technical issues. Sometime you will face. Simple is that. So let's try again. As you can see now, it is working perfectly. That was the issue with the version. So when we try apt install golang hyphen go, the old version automatically removed, which was I think the new, not the no old. Maybe that was not compatible. So it replaced with the new go version, which is working perfectly for us. So the good thing is, the tool is working, and it is currently in installation phase. So we can just wait for the results, and then we will be using the same tool. Okay, let's wait a bit. Okay, so seems like it is done. Now let's try to use it. Um, our target is to pull out all the active subdomains from a list of subdomains. Let's first check it up. The tool is working or not with us. So we need to go to the root, go, bin, and here we have httpx tool. So just move it from here to user bin. Let's go to the desktop, and let's go to the desktop, and let's try this httpx again, and it is working perfectly. Now we can use this tool in order to find in order to pull out all the subdomains from the from this yeah, from this we can pull out all the active subdomains from this current subfinder.txt, because it contains dead domains as well as that we do not need it. So in order to use this tool, you just need to get a subdomain subfinder.txt, and then you can use the tool httpx, and after that a hyphen l for the list. You need to provide the list, which is definitely subfinder.txt, and we need to redirect the results into let's say live domains, live subdomains, live subdomains.txt. So what this tool will do, this will simply shift all the domains, all the live domains up into this sub yeah, into a new list. So basically we are pulling out the active domains from the list. The list that we have it is this one, and we are pulling out into a new list, which is live sub dot. Yeah, so in order to confirm it, live, so you can see that we have this much, and fine. Okay, sorry. By the way, let's get it. Let's get the sub. We have so many. So cat live, and here in this list it is few. I don't think so these are 66. It could be like less than 20. Okay, yeah, it could be. So these are the domains that we can work on. We can scan these domains using burp suite. We can scan these domains using nuclei. So you can provide a list and there is so many things involved in it, by the way. Now the next thing that we will be learning, like literally you can scan these all subdomains and you can try to find out which subdomain contain vulnerabilities. You can simply install another tool called Katana that will help you to pull out all the endpoints or yeah, all the endpoints are parameters that will be available, and after that you can even though scan those parameters as well as so I'll be teaching you about those things. Just don't worry, stay with me. The next thing that we will be doing is to install nuclei in order to scan these domains. Okay, so you just need to type nuclei, just install it, reply with y. It will install nuclei for you. Nuclei is a scanner that you can use it to scan the target. So okay, so it is open source, created by Project Discovery, and it is free. You can use it without any issue. So the thing is, let's wait. You can by the way scan a single target with the help of nuclei, or you can scan the entire list of domains or subdomains. For example, let's remove this one because we do not need it. We have, let's say, a list called subdomains of live subdomains.txt. So what we will be doing in that case, let's try to scan it with the help of nuclei. Okay, so you just need to type nuclei hyphen l for the list and provide the list of the subdomains, which is live hyphen subdomains.txt. And in order to save the results, hyphen o for output, just name it nuke results.txt. Okay, now, what it will be basically doing, it will be trying to find all the possible vulnerabilities in these domains, and it will give you more than more results. What does it means? It means it will try to find like there are different types of vulnerabilities. Some will be informative, that will give you information about the target, and some will be low hanging fruit, some will be medium vulnerability, some will be high and critical like excesses, and all those other things. So definitely it will be trying to scan each and every domain. It will take time. It also depends on your internet speed, and also it depends on how good PC you are using. Anyway, yeah, it's most of the time it depends on the internet connection, but if you have a good PC it will be also good because sometime it will uh, yeah, put some load on your machine. The reason I will not go into the depth of this module, there is a big reason. Let me show you something. So the thing is really simple. If I started teaching you all these things again from the scratch, I think it will take so much time, and maybe the lecture will be exceeded to 2 hours. So let me tell you something. I have already covered this module. So the recon and automation, the video I've already told you, and what I did, that is important. At first in that module I cover subdomain enumeration, in which I use three tools like subfinder, asset finder, and findable, and I did it step by step, like installing the tools and then using the tools. So these are the commands. In order to find out the subdomain, you need to put this for subfinder, and then we have for asset finder, and then we have for find domains, and we will get three separate files for subfinder, for asset finder, and for find domains, that will be containing different subdomains. then we will be using we will be sorting them like in a single file. We will combine all these three files in all.txt, and we will be making it sure to remove all the duplicates, so there will be no duplicates. Okay, so yeah, it will be a unique sort. U means uniquely. Then the step 2, we will be running httpx on them. So what httpx will do, httpx will give us only live subdomains, okay, from all.txt. Then the next step that we did is to install Vemor Katana. So what Vemor and Katana will be doing, through with the help of Vemor, it will be using internet archives like webback urls, align word, and others to pull out all the available links of your target. And similarly, Katana is a live active crawler that you can use to simply crawl or find yeah, it will pull out all the endpoints for you as well as. But the only difference between them is the one is working actively, directly engaging with target, and the one it will pull out the publicly available, data of the target. And then this is how to use Vemor. And some requirements are required to install it. I have already teach each and everything in the video. So we at the end we combine these both results, and here this is the command where you can pull out all the interesting parameters that could contain confidential details like php file, backend database files, each and everything. And at the end there are so many things, like I cannot explain them one by one, it will take time. And at the end we literally use a framework like nuclei, how to use it, how to install it, how to run it on different techniques, and how to send this all data to the burp suite to scan it furtherly. Yeah, burp suite has been covered. So here we are sending all the data to the burp suite for scanning. So the burp suite will further enumerate, scan, and find vulnerabilities for us. And here at the end of the day we literally automate these all steps, like from the top to the bottom. I created a base script where we can perform all these steps, so all these 10 steps, so in a one single tool. You just need to type base recon.sh, and that's all. After that you just need to put your target, and it will automatically try to run these all tools for you, each and everything. Okay, so I have already covered and explained this thing in my this video, so I will highly recommend you. Hi, just simple, go for the video. I will be making it sure to attach it in the first comment. Yeah, it will, you will find out this video in the first comment. Just go for the details. It is a brief explanation. I don't think so after watching this video you need anything else. For example, you in can that see this is particular you how can we call it test live this particular subdomains target. And here you will be able to find out how we are sending all those data. Unfilter urls parameters with equal to dot scanning for us. And here you can see how we are automating this entire process. So it is a really amazing video. I don't feel like to create another video on the same topic. This is all in one, and I think that is more than enough for you guys. You will enjoy it. So I think that should be enough for this module. I will see you in the next lecture. Have a good day.